Hello and welcome, future media moguls. Creating a buzz around your brand requires a solid PR strategy, but that often comes with a hefty price tag and a steep learning curve. What if technology could level the playing field? Today we are taking a very detailed look at Pressmaster AI, an AI-powered PR tool that aims to be your best content assistant in 2025. We'll break down exactly what it offers, its strengths, and its weaknesses, giving you a clear, unbiased overview. Pressmaster AI serves events an all-in-one AI platform to streamline your entire public relations and content marketing process. Its foundation is the AI content generator, which uses artificial intelligence to transform a basic topic into a complete, professionally written press release or article, saving you immense amounts of time and effort. After creation, the platform leverages its extensive media distribution network, claiming access to over 500 news outlets and media publishers, including prominent names like Fox, CBS, and NBC, to help your content gain wide exposure and valuable backlinks. A key feature is the Media Contacts database, which provides direct access to a vast directory of journalists and influencers for personalized outreach and relationship building. Additionally, the platform includes an influencer marketing platform to streamline finding and collaborating with influencers to boost your campaign's reach. To close the loop, the built-in analytics dashboard allows you to monitor your campaign's performance, track media mentions, and assess the overall ROI of your PR activities. The clear positives here are the automation of tedious tasks, the promise of widespread distribution, and the consolidation of multiple tools into one platform. On the potential negative side, the quality and uniqueness of AI-generated content can sometimes be a concern. The cost is also a recurring subscription. In summary, Pressmaster AI presents itself as a powerful integrated solution for automating and enhancing PR workflows, making it a contender for your go-to marketing assistant in 2025, especially for those looking to scale their media presence efficiently. This service offers 3 main subscription tiers, all including a 7-day free trial and a 25% annual discount. The starter plan at $12 per month is built for beginning with core features like the AI article writer and custom brand voice. The Pro plan at $72 per month unlocks the platform's full potential with unlimited access to features like the Trendmaster and Social Suite, plus additional brand voices. Finally, the agency plan at $149.25 is designed for scaling client work, including 2 workspaces, white label options, and the ability to invite team members. Thanks for watching.